God damn. Look at all that damn water. I know y'all can see this. Look at this crazy mess. People's houses look damn flooded up. Woo. That water is no joke at all. That make no sense. All that damn water. Damn. That shows a lot of water. This will happen because all that damn rain. People's houses, everything flooded. There ain't nothing. And actually, people actually go to that place. Can't get there now because too much damn water blocked off, but there it is.